So we do have Palantir earnings. Let's do a little bit of a preview right now. First of all, I have to show you guys a picture that's, I think, going to be very nice for everyone to see. Iliano tweeted this just now. So everyone knows the lovely woman, Scarlett, who might be watching right now. Shout out to you, Scarlett, if you're watching, who got me this Palantir beanie that I literally wear every day. She knitted it for me. She didn't get it for me. She knitted it. And she got me a scarf as well. I literally wear this every single day. She did the same for Karp and Sham, and she sent it to Iliano and told him if he could be nice enough to give it to her. And you got Karp wearing it today. There you go. Look at that. That's awesome, dude. That is absolutely awesome. That is super, super cool. So there you go. There's Karp wearing Scarlett. I know Scarlett's got to love that, dude. Scarlett's got to be so happy right now seeing this. So Karp right there wearing the beanie. Looks like he's excited for earnings. Looks like he's going to be excited for earnings. Okay, so that's one of the Karp pictures. Now, here's the Bank of America report. This came out this morning. I just got it from my boy who sent it to me. So let me pull it up right here. And I'm just going to read it straight through, and then we'll go and we'll analyze it. So let me just pull this up. This is the Bank of America report. I would post it on Twitter, but I found out if you post this stuff on Twitter, your account could get banned because technically this is like tens of thousands of dollars of research you're not supposed to be posting. So no one tell anybody that I'm reading it right now. But yeah, I can't post this on Twitter. Oh, they increased their price target to 90. They increased their price target. Right? Last time I checked, the price target was... Did Bank of America have a $90 price target on Palantir ever? No, it was 75, right? I don't think they ever had a $90. I think they just increased it. Yeah. It was, sorry. I'm wrong. This is the first sentence. We are raising our price target from 90 to, okay, there you go. So they did raise it. There you go. They raised it. Okay, let's read. We remain bullish ahead of Palantir for fourth quarter 2024 earnings results tonight. We expect the company to print top line results above their 776 million to 771 million outage outlook range, fueled by continued strong momentum in both U.S. government and U.S. commercial end markets. We expect the company to provide a 2025 growth outlook in the mid 20%. Wow. So Mariana is expecting basically 25% growth. I'm expecting 30%. I would love to see 30%, but I guess I'm a little bit too bullish compared to even Mariana. We expect a 27% year-over-year growth in 2025 above the street consensus. Additionally, we think Palantir is strongly positioned to beat the market expectations in the out years. Consensus expects 20% annualized growth versus our accelerating growth of 30% in 2026 and 2027. So basically, Mariana thinks they're going to do less than 30% for 2025, but then they're going to go to 30% in 2026, 2027. I'm expecting 30% growth for 2025. Maybe I'll be wrong. Maybe I'll be right. But today, I guess we're going to see what their guidance looks like. We are raising our price target to $90 from $75 on a widening moat. The recent DeepSeek news marked a differentiation between commodities and value-adding players in AI. Palantir has increasingly proven its enabler role in the AI era. Its products are increasingly interoperable to third-party apps and software and focuses on extracting measurable and valuable outcomes from their proper implementation in the real world. We see Palantir playing a critical role in the next wave of digitization, from enterprises and battle spaces, from finances to missiles and ships production. Our price target of 90 is based on a 1.5x EV to sales growth multiple in 2026. This valuation equals to 10-year forward EV to EBITDA in the mid-teens, assuming 27% EBITDA CAGR over the next decade. Wow. So she's really increasing the price target, not on like some massive increase in growth, but on, in her words, a widening moat. That is a qualitative argument to be raising Palantir's price target, not a quantitative. And so you're seeing more of the street just buy into the broader story, even if the numbers are not like 40, 50% growth type of numbers, to be able to get to their price target. We remind investors that the recent rapid stock appreciation implies negative fourth quarter GAAP operating income and a muted GAAP net income. So Mariana is basically telling her clients, hey, they're probably going to miss on EPS. The stock price crossing 50 accelerated the recognition of $120 million of stock-based compensation expense related to market vesting options. This one-time charge impact on SBC as a percentage of sales by about 15%, resulting in 35% versus lower 20%. SBC-related employer payroll taxes are also expected to be $70 million due to the stock appreciation. Separately, we caution investors about a potential softening in U.S. government bookings. The December quarter is seasonally softer after a continuing resolution. So basically Mariana says, hey, there's going to be $120 million stock-based compensation expense that you have to worry about, and you should expect lower government growth in Q4. I don't know if that's going to be true. I think government growth in Q4 is actually going to be pretty stable. I don't think we should expect it to be that much lower than what we saw in Q3. But Mariana right here is warning that it might not be as high and that the SARS expense might end up being something we have to worry about. That's pretty much it. That's what she had to say. So raise the price target, is bullish. Palantir right here at 81 believes that their moat is only getting deeper, believe that DeepSeek only continue to fuel their moat. Wow, S&P almost at 6,000, NVIDIA almost at 118. And ultimately, she believes that Palantir is going to continue to show 30% growth into 2026 and 2027. There you go. There you go. This is kind of turning out for Palantir like it was on August 5th. August 5th, nasty headlines during the day, then intraday recovery, then Palantir crushed earnings. They went up by 20%. Who knows? Maybe it's the same thing. Tariffs were nasty headlines. You got a little bit of an intraday recovery based on the Mexico resolution with Trump. And now Palantir, if they deliver a massive earnings, maybe we have a repeat of August 5th. Maybe. Pretty incredible.